All right, happy Monday, guys. I have got your information for week 3, which is April 6th through April 10th. So, following in this video, I'm just going to walk you through your instructions for the week and just kind of give you a heads up and some ideas on what you are going to be doing over the next couple weeks, or next few weeks, actually. Before we get started, I hope you are figuring out a new routine, trying to get into the swing of things, and figuring out what's going to work best for you to get all your coursework done for every class, and having all of that done on time. So for English this week, we are introducing a project that we're going to be working on for the next few weeks. This project the end goal is to create a product that will convey your position on a specific topic. Over the next several weeks, you're going to be reading articles, taking notes on what you've read, doing some research, writing rough drafts, fixing rough drafts, having collaborative exchanges, using the discussion boards, and maybe some other things. However, this week, we're just doing the introductory phase, okay? So you're going to have 2 assignments that you need to complete this week. They must be done in order as they build upon each other. Make sure you do assignment number 1 and then do assignment number 2. Also note that these assignments are going to be going into Skyward. So assignment number 1 will be a minor grade. Assignment number 2 is going to be a major grade for the 6 weeks. So let's talk about assignment number 1 that you must complete first. All right, so when you pull up the assignment, here's what we have here. Ideally, this assignment is due by Wednesday, so then you have plenty of time to work on assignment number 2 in order to have everything due on Friday. Make sure you are doing all 4 steps. Step 1 here is to read this letter. You'll click on the link. It's going to open a letter from Time Magazine. Read through that letter. Okay, after you've read through that letter, let's go to Submit Assignment. And we're going to scroll down. So step 2, you're going to type in the entry box, number 2. And then what are your initial thoughts about this project? I think you're just going to write, I think that, and include your thoughts there. Okay, step number 3. You are going to list 3 things that you need to know to move forward with this project. So you're going to list those things. You're going to list 3 things. And step 4, you're going to create a T-chart and list 5 reasons on why a person would agree with the question that is in the letter. The question is in bold. And then 5 reasons why a person would disagree. You can list those out in this. You can create a table, which you would go to table, create. We got 2 columns. We need 5 things. I can do them here. So there's 1, and then there's 1 on why I disagree. 2, so on and so forth. Once you have all that information done, all 4 steps are completed, hit submit, and that assignment will come to me. I will grade it. And we will put that into Skyward as a minor grade. Okay, let's cancel out of there. We're going to go back to our home page. So now we're going to talk about assignment 2, where you are going to build upon what you did in assignment 1. So we've also attached the letter here again. If you need to read through it just to refresh your brain, it's attached for you. Then you're going to look at your T-chart that you submitted in assignment 1. Hopefully you have it written down somewhere. You are going to first think about what side do you lean towards. Are you agreeing with the statement and the question in the letter, or do you disagree? And then you are going to write a paragraph that explains your position, your stance, and you make sure you write it thoroughly. Be sure to elaborate, include 2 to 3 reasons why you feel the way that you do. Your response needs to be at least 7 to 10 sentences. Okay, remember, this is a major grade. It needs to be worthy of a major grade. So I will be counting the number of sentences you give me. If you just make the effort to fully explain your thoughts, elaborate, give me reasons, explain your reasons, it should be pretty easy for you to get your 7 to 10 sentences. When you're done, hit submit, and then you are done for the week. You only have 2 assignments you need to worry about. Okay, we want to make sure we get those done and on time so we can get that into Skyward in a timely manner and make sure you are all set for this. Just know I miss y'all. I hope You guys are staying safe and doing well and enjoying some extra time with family. As always, you can reach me through Remind or email or the inbox of Canvas. If you have any questions or concerns, I look forward to seeing how your work goes this week. Have a good one, guys.